These people heard strange sounds coming from this hole, so they lowered a young man from them to explore the source of the sound. When he reached the bottom of the hole, he discovered that the sound was not coming from the hole directly, but rather from a distant, deep place at the far end of the narrow pipes branching off from the hole. They lowered a small car that was controlled remotely and installed lights and a camera on it to clearly film the source of the sound. Then they passed the car and the camera inside the pipes one by one until they found the real source of the sound. This poor cat was stuck inside the pipes and called out to humanity with its weak voice. Although it is a cat, some may say that it does not deserve all this, but they did not leave it. Rather, they determined its location, then dug the ground and took it out from inside the pipe safely. If you see this as a humane act, like subscribe and leave an invitation for your brothers who have been abandoned by humanity.